Viewers, I am Amsavalli for Haramsha Creations. Please do subscribe and like this channel for more videos and updates. Video is about grammar part, conjunction. What is conjunction? It is a word used to connect or join phrases, clauses or sentences. Normally it links words and ideas. We have three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. What are all coordinating conjunctions? And, but, or, whether, yet. Then subordinating conjunctions: as, if, though, although, because, so, before, that, after, till, until, since, while, unless, however, whenever, wherever. Then correlative conjunctions: either or, whether or, no sooner than, neither nor, not only but also, scarcely, when, both and, so, that. These coordinating conjunctions join two verbs, two nouns, two adjectives, two phrases or two independent clauses. This subordinating conjunction is used to join a subordinating clause to another clause or a sentence. These correlative conjunctions, these are used to connect two balanced clauses, phrases or words. Normally it may be used in pairs like either or, neither nor. It comes as pair. Here we have the acronym fanboys. Acronym is nothing but the abbreviation formed from the initial letters of the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So why do we use this fanboys acronym? It is a device for remembering the coordinating conjunctions. These words function as connectors. Fanboys conjunctions with example sentences. For. This can be used in the sense because. I go to the library for I love to read. And. It is in addition to, in the sense in addition to. I learn English and French. Nor. It is in the sense and not. Benny refuses to eat peas, nor will he touch carrots. Then but, so however, in the sense however. I tried to hit the nail but hit my thumb instead. Or, you can have chocolate ice cream or hot samosas. Then yet, it is in the sense still. She has not watered the flowers yet. So, it is in the sense therefore. My teacher is very smart, so everybody likes her. Conjunction and. It is used to connect ideas, words and sentences. Example sentences: Anu eats pongal and sambar. Write your name and address. Krishna, Gopal and Selva are friends. She drank milk and went to sleep. Date and time. Caste and community. Mother bought fruits and vegetables. Conjunction or. It is used to indicate a choice between two options. Let us see example sentences. Stand still or go away. We have two options. Do you like tea or coffee? Should we take the car or the bus? You can pay with the cash or credit card. Walk fast or you will miss the bus. Conjunction but. This conjunction is used to join sentences that expresses different ideas, contrast ideas, opposite ideas. Let us see example sentences. I know the answer, but I cannot tell you. He was supposed to study, but he played games. The stick is thin, but it is strong. I feel very hungry, but the vessel is empty. The conjunction so, as, since. These three conjunctions are used to express reason. Example: I'm hungry, so I get some food. He lost his key, so he could not get into his room. As I was hungry, I decided to eat. As I was sick, I took leave. I'm staying home today since Sarah cancelled our plans. He has been afraid of driving since the car crashed last year. So it gives reason. The conjunctions while, before, when, as soon as, after, since. These are used to express time or a duration of time. Example, while. While I was waiting at the bus stop, 3 buses went by in the same direction. One should wear a helmet while riding a motorbike. As soon as. I will call you as soon as I arrive. As soon as I receive the information, I will tell you. Before. I always pray before I have dinner. I will call you before I go. So these conjunctions are used to express time or duration of time. The conjunction after. Applications submitted after 6 p.m. will not be accepted. I went for a short walk after dinner. When. When you are in London, text an email to me. He always screams when he is angry. Since. It has not rained since the end of June. He had been painting since he was 10 years old. These conjunctions also used to express time or duration of time. I will post a separate video for correlative conjunctions. Until then, bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.